Obi wekene m no Igbo ndị manje m na ekene m n'ụbọchị nke taata asị m ka onye chie na zelo biko nwere video nwatakịrị nwaanyị nwanne na-akọ na-asị ihe ndị Obollor Afor mere ya ihe nwanne wee na-asị biko onye ihe eme ya je takola ndị mere ya dị individual mere ha ọgbọghọ iji maka na ihe eme wee pụtara ofu the whole community ka o segbu biko asọ mkpụ nene video akwụ n'ofu ihe anyị na-ekwu maka ya
Suna chale kwensu na morna Obollor Afor be kwensu. You people are devil. My people, Obollor Afor village, Enugu, Nsukka is the worst village you ever get married to. You ever allow your daughter to marry their man. They are wicked. Wa be kwensu. Obodo Chineke bulo onu. Obodo ebugie. You people finally did it. You said it and you did it. My sister useless. Yes. Same wine. Only John Nudi. Man was soon pota. Your dad was soon unanu no nyavu. Ne potami. Asna eda na fever before reject ye. Before soon we nya potaba. When my sister want to get married to this man, my mother and my father say nya potaba. Love ne nye. Una for love. Love now destroy a lot of people. In the name of love, I want to marry because I love you. She refused. So I know this man. My mom, my father now say, puta, ja go school, abage go. If you school, open ya no. My sister Noria. I may allow or know the man. After everything, they live in peace. They start living in peace. The man is good. Yes, we see it. Later. Ndi bebe. Okay, one of their sister, devil, oporonu divya this woman a kago. But I like from my sister. Oh, you see na my sister. I enjoy this marriage. Achune egu. Another my sister canansi. Pota. Or say, I love this man. Time goes on, I will never forget this boy. So cute. Even want a telephone because I resemble my sister. Amonya just first issue ka After the first issue problem arise, do man bido. My sister bido the complain. It's no more spadi no. I now see a pine galaga banke potanu Obollor Afor bro obodo. Dear, do a lovely husband bido tifi eve. Okuesiana. Start smoking, start drinking. I told egu. Because the man doesn't smoke, he doesn't drink. Austin, may your soul rest in peace. If you na navu. A weak spirit. Oh God, I respect death. From there, the man na next thing Guinea, be able the man. Or you have a liver problem. Because even Adam Jelivia the man in one. I can't that wicked woman. Nekronudi. Isiagu, Bia, do you want my sister? Then the boy was 2 years. Obezuli, my sister Marode. Chabangwe. All people be able to say, no one need to be follow Bia your house, be a kuluin wage. My sister traveled back to that village. Obodovan. Kojebutamwe. Basa no rebo biaga. No nya be able to deal. Aneku, akoya poison. This is my blood, our first daughter. My sister came back. Yaba poison. I treat via poison. Poison now. She went back again because the boy small 2 years. She went back again and said, now before no general lossy, where swear, just look at. My sister just know can't get me. I put the Bible call over say nobody the Bible. No, all your general lossy my sister refused because my mom, she want to say young na lossy. Open about persist here. No, I will not up the Bible. They refuse. They say no, I will leave now. My sister left. He left that village and came back. But because we don't want to go by a tear poison. That is the poison I call sickness. Or bata. My mom, when you my sister, but see, I forget the one one. As na wato or chopan near mostly male children. But to near. My sister begged up, see we acquire forget. Mention we consoled her or forget to do what they want for now. Who calculate now the baby, the boy, the 23 years old. Nyako Lulu last December. The boy was actually near from Nsukka, Obollor Afor, who will go and switch to Blonde. Wabia Bani, Anambra State. Wabia Chota, my sister, or Chota in what I kill Togo. Takila, I took admission na university. Wachota, my sister, Wabia. Be my house. Wa from Mamu Hasa no chalon from Kawa near. Because if you're lying, the same face, all of us will look alike. Or Kawa, my mom said no need in Kawa not to go your face. Over our face. I want me because then my sister no go deals. Yes. Actually, I will go bright price. Can watch you as I'm a no, my sister down way. Nya bia nwe yobuna since abia no koro no ko zokoro dinie. My sister when I bright price, I wear bright price vaju. My sister basman get the January diozo. Since then my sister been having miscarriage upon miscarriage because of these people. God will punish you people. So after then, I want my sister on her phone. Osi baby, the new dion wa bata wa bia ban wa fun yan okay we tie. The boy fun my sister na ebe see mommy. My sister na ebe. Open the bind that day he have to cry upon cry. We one snatch for me for 2 years. After then, me and say la rola simba. No ya la rura na mia the auntie ono with here say nya bata today no ya la rola. Mia kugide or see okay no problem. The boy left. I made exchange of number or left. But for me that no to admission na university. No ya this easy. Nya wan bia na visit the mother. Akuche the boy left. After the boy none. Ana we na phone. I na eku na phone, na eku nya na my sister na eku na phone, na wan na eku na phone. Nya ko lulu yesterday. As in yesterday. Day before yesterday. Kai molo na abugo the boy. The boy in molo that December period of the baby visit here the mother. Because if one woman nga online na phone go line. See, after that, our house, our village, we visit the mother. If I put name, as far I want to see my mom. That not no with me, no to give Colombia. Not that period. Congo. Oya Roya, only family. They kill the innocent boy. Do you know the reason? Because after my sister doesn't come and enjoy. Go do the one. Mwabunkie kunsi nuna atachaga for bula yeli the aka that is it abuna the boy patego so my sister be very enjoy no bulo to na ye ebue. I remember only the day that which woman called my sister on phone see her so na it was lindulu tochku no buna iye du tochku no buna iye lia aka tochku ni family digi ye menwage my sister chono ntu onya the woman. The woman finally did it, my people. Rapu Ndi Igbo from Nsukka Enugu state aburezigbo mmade. Ogu na ejeli ndi avozi. Ogu na ejeli ndi ngozi. Lekoro marry Christ. For killing that boy, this woman, you shall never know peace. The seeds iyano will swallow you. The water you drink will swallow you. The ground you will touch for killing that boy will swallow you. A shameful death. You will beg for death you will never see. For killing that innocent boy, you will beg for death you will never see. na-afụ ọnwụ na-agbalị gị ọsọ. You are devil. Chineke bulu unu ọnụ. Nsukka Obollor Afor, Chineke bulu unu ọnụ. It shall never be well with you. As far as on this earth is concerned, it shall never be well with you people. This family, it shall never be well with you people. As I said, so shall it be.
I can come on, can I can hear Ndigbo? That's about two to video because in I can have a video call when I got viral. I can no question, but when I send them. Magin and mother Nsukka. Imagine Makana. Oya Nambra Messi giwe. It's an Nambra in about wicked, or it's an Nambra man, Kanda Nambra man, of course. Oh, he said, Lemona and them mother Kumba, one and Jung with video melon bar. When I'm an asana chine for Konya and Amatai. I remember that video, say Lemon and Enugu State to Kumba. And I get out, we learn every day. I can afford the reason whereby I'm mother me, and we're gonna one name Munyagi, as I'm one nigga wine idea name when so. We buya Ndi Igbo for Nina. Yana call no Ndi Igbo for name, and no Cassia, and no Obollor Afor, my sister. One of the Chogoku single handedly called our family out. Gina Hanab. Uno Kapia Okuono. Unabona Kweko Semia Kwebi Wian. Manjisi Makana Onya Nigu Masigi with Ndi Enugu State Nina. Ofuchi Neke Monoguro Fuchuka in Efe. Kuchakwam Kaham no Bosenkata because I can abasozia. Share this video, subscribe to channel this channel, give notification, gives you notification Bobble video for Kaiwan Bozo.